Yeah, hello guys. Welcome once again to this wonderful channel. It's your man Tech Data, and tonight you know how we do it. We're here to get the Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher to you guys, man. Hamster Kombat Daily Cipher. Here in this channel, we call it the Morse code. Moscow guy, let's get to it. Yes, quickly. Today's daily cipher, the code is fork. 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 So the first letter there is F. The first letter there is F. So quickly, F is dot dot dash dot. So we come dot dot dash dot. That's F, guys. Yes. Then the second one is O. O is dash dash dash. Follow me, guys. Dash dash dash. So we come dash dash dash. That's our O, guys. The next letter is R, and R is a dot dash dot, a dot dash and a dot. That's R. Then the last but not the least, guys, is K, and K is a dash dot dash. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. That's it, guys. It's this thing is easy. It's simple. If you are new to this channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon notification. Okay, guys. Make sure you share this video with your community. It's very important to get down on this. And with this, you get your 1 million coin, which will also help you to upgrade your profit per hour. Now, listen, guys. A lot of questions. People have been asking a lot of questions. Is it the Hamster coin or the profit per hour? Well, my simple advice is, guys, balance it. The only thing I always pick out from the Hamster Kombat Twitter handle, whenever they say profit per hour, they use this word: use your coin wisely. Use your coin wisely. That alone tells you that not that the coin is not important. The coin is important. Profit per hour is important. Of course, one is more important, the profit per hour. But you also have to use your coin, man. You also have to keep your coin, man. Balance this up, guys. Balance this up, guys. I love you. Make sure you check on the description if you are new to this channel. Check on the description on how to get on this if you are new, if you don't know what this is, right, guys. You have to get to this quickly as soon as possible. See you in the next video, guys. Love you and bye bye.